construction of hyperbola by eccentricity method or general method. Let's read out the question. Construct an hyperbola when the distance of the focus from the directrix is 60 mm and the eccentricity is 3 divided by 2. So, here we have to construct the hyperbola by eccentricity method. So, they have given the distance of the focus from the directrix, that is 60 mm, and also they have given the eccentricity as 3 divided by 2. So, first let us draw an axis line of convenient length. So, now let us draw the directrix. So, this is the directrix. Now, we have to mark the focus, that is at a distance of 60 mm from the directrix. So, let us mark the focus F. So, this is the focus F. So, next step is now to find out the vertex. So, since they have given the eccentricity E is equal to 3 divided by 2. So, which will be equal to Vf divided by Vc. Okay. So, the distance of the vertex from the focus will be 3 parts and the distance of the vertex from the directrix will be of 2 parts. So, now we have to divide this line CF into 5 equal parts. Okay. So, since the length here it is of 60 mm, so dividing into 5 parts will be difficult. So, let us divide this by another method. So, that is, let us draw a random line of length is equal to 50 mm. Okay. So, let us divide this line into 5 equal parts. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. Now, let us join this line with focus. Now, next is we have to join the remaining points to the axis line parallelly using the roller scale or using any drafter. So, now we have successfully divided this line into 5 equal parts. Now, we have to locate the vertex V. So, the vertex V will be located at 3 parts from the focus and from 2 parts from the directrix. So, you can see this is 1 and this is 2. So, this will be the vertex V because 1, 2, 3. So, it will be 3 parts from the focus and 1, 2 parts from the directrix. So, next step is we have to draw vertical line at V to meet the point E such that VE will be equal to VF. Next step is to join the line CE and extend this into some convenient distance. So, here we go, we are joining the line CE and extending it to some convenient distance. Next step is let us draw the vertical lines across the points VF parallel to VE to obtain the different points for to draw the curve of hyperbola. So, we will randomly draw the lines across VF. So, let us mark these lines as 1, 2 and 3 respectively. Mark the points 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash across these lines, that is, next step is to mark the points across these lines. So to do that, let's measure the line 1 dash, and with F as center, so let's draw an arc at this point. So let's mark this point as P1. Similarly, let's measure the distance of 2 dash, and with F as center, so let's draw an arc and also let's measure the distance of 3 dash, and with F as center, so let's mark an arc. So let these points be equal to P2 and P3. Similarly, let's mark the same distances across the bottom lines. So let's mark these points as P4, P5 and P6 respectively. Now next step is to trace the curve of hyperbola through the vertex V joining all the points from P1 to P6. Let's draw the smooth curve of hyperbola. After drawing the smooth curve of hyperbola, this completes the construction of hyperbola by eccentricity method or general method. For more videos on conic sections and engineering graphics, subscribe to my channel Learn and Draw.